Good morning, students. Let us start the session for entering a program to print the grade using the control structure if. So, as I have already instructed, you just begin the task by opening the Turbo Editor. In the Turbo Editor, as you know, first we have to click the file in order to enter a new file. So as I told you already, the default name is noname.cpp. So I go for saving the file under the name grade.c. The path is c:/tc/bin/ the name of the program with of course extension .c, grade.c. So click OK. Then the program name will be changed to grade.c. Now start entering the program. First, as usual, you try to enter a comment statement with the help of the key combination / followed by the asterisk mark. Then enter the comment. This program is used to print the grade. So program to display grade end of the comment statement is indicated by the key combination * followed by asterisk mark followed by /. Then as usual, include the compiler directives with the help of # followed by include stdio.h and include another compiler directive for performing the console input output. So # include conio console input output .h. Then start the main function. Since it is not going to return any data, we are going to mention the data type of returning data type of main is void, void. Void. Name of the function is main. As I told you, all the C programs should contain a function, namely main, because the main is the point where the execution of the program starts. Then begin the body of the main program with the help of the flower bracket. Then for the clarity, let us try to have an indentation in the program. So press the tab character here. Now our aim is to calculate the grade. The grade will be calculated as per the average mark of the student. So declare a variable in order to receive the mark, average mark. Let it be AVE or AGE, and the data type of average be integer. So declare it int followed by AVE average. Terminate it. Now as usual, clear the screen before its first use. Now our aim is to first read the average from the user. So give a comment statement here. Give a comment statement. Read, saying read the average. Close the comment statement. Then give a message to the user to enter the average with the help of the output statement, namely printf. printf, printf. Open the bracket, open the double quotes, and give the message. Now before giving the message, go to your new line with the help of the escape sequence /n. Give the message, enter the average mark, average, and then colon. I wanted to have a tab character here, so enter the escape sequence /t. Then close the quotes, close the bracket, terminate the statement with the help of the statement terminator. The next thing is making use of an input statement, namely scanf. Try to receive the input, try to receive the number and assign it to the variable average. So make use of scanf, SCANF, scanf. Open the bracket, open the double quotes. We are supposed to enter the control string. Control string is your %d, and this is the format specifier of an integer. So comma, as I told you, we are going to read the value and save it in the variable average. As I have already instructed, you should first enter the address operator, then the name of the variable average in the scanf statement in order to read the value. So terminate it. So now we have declared a variable namely average, and we assigned the value of the average to the variable average from the user. Next thing is, we are going to display the grade. So give the message display the grade. Grade, making use of if statement, of course. So first check the value in the average against the value 60. So I make use of if condition, if statement, and the state condition is average. If average is greater than or equal to 60, then what we have to do is we have to print, make use of another tab statement, because tab character, because we are enclosing this statement within the if structure. Printf, open the bracket, double quotes, new line, display pass, PASS, pass. Close the double quotes, close the bracket, terminate it, extend with the statement terminator, then close the if statement. At the same time, if average is less than 60, then what we have to do? We have to print fail message, isn't it? So start the body of the second if statement, press a tab character, because this statement is inside the second if structure. So enter the printf printf, open the bracket, open the double quotes, have a new line character, then give the message fail. Fail, close the quotes, close the bracket, terminate the statement, close the bracket here. So now, so far we have checked the average value stored in the variable average and displayed the appropriate message for it. Next our aim is to enter the get characters, CET, CH, pair of empty parenthesis, terminate it, and then close the main function. Now that's all. The name of the program is grade C. As I told you, you are supposed to first enter the comment statement. It is not necessary that you should have only the comment statement at the beginning of the program. Anywhere in the program you can include the statement, then include the compiler directives, include standard input output.h, include conio.h, then start the body of the main function with the help of a void main and followed by the open bracket, then declare the variable average, which is of the data type integer, then clear the screen before its first use, then enter the comment statement, because we are going to perform read the average from the user. So give the message to the user, enter the average with the help of the output statement printf, then read the value and save it in the average, save it in the variable average. So we have to make use of, since it is an integer variable, we have to make use of the control string %d followed by the address operator followed by the name of the variable. Then we are entering a command statement which says that we are going to display the grade. So check the average against the value 60. If it is greater or equal to 60, then print pass. If not so means, if the average value is not greater than or equal to 60, then this statement enclosed in the first if structure will not get executed. Rather, it will come to the next statement which immediately follows the first statement. Again, it happens to be the second if statement. So again, it checks the value stored in the average whether it is less than 60 or not. If it is less than 60, then this statement will get executed. It will display the value, the message fail. Then this is the end of this second if statement. Then of course, as usual, we have get character and we have the end of the program. So now save the program again. You know the shortcut key for saving the file is F2, and just click F2 here and then go for compiling. Compile. There is no error messages. So press any key and run the program. Run the program. It asks you to enter the average. If the average is 45, then it gives the message fail. You try to run the program again. Average. If the average is 70, it will give the messages pass. So with this I come to an end of the program using the if structure. Try to make use of this program in order to solve the problems in the same way that are given in the assignment session. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.